Hi guys, this is Joe from TechGlobal. Welcome back to this channel. Today I have a very exciting package that is right in front of me right now. So without further ado, let me go through this unboxing. What is this? And yes, that is it. That is the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7, and with their casing. So I would like to unbox all of them together.
As you can see, both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have similar packaging. And I have the lemongrass for the Pixel 7 and snow for the Pixel 7 Pro. As for the design of the box, it has a pull tab for you to unbox it without using any penknife. And look at them, both colors are beautiful. Inside the box, you have this item: a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick switch adapter, and a quick start guide. Do note that there's a SIM tool inside the quick start guide. This is the most satisfying process, tearing off the protective cover on the screen.
Let's go through some hardware. It has a USB-C port underneath with, I believe, the speaker grill over the left and the right. On top, it has a microphone, and by the side it has the power on switch and the volume rocker switch. And on this side, it does not have anything except for the SIM card tray over here. Yes, there's a SIM card tray. And yes, a very nice device in terms of the design. And as usual, all Pixel phone right now has a very unique design on the camera. And for this case, for the Pixel 7, it has two cameras on the back. There's two cameras on the back and a flash over here. I believe here this is the microphone. And on the center, I believe it's a sensor, maybe a depth sensor, I'm not sure. And you can see that there's a protruding part over here. And this time round, if I'm not wrong, compared to last Pixel 6, this might be more protruding. And yeah, that is Pixel 7. Let me go through the cover for this Pixel 7. And yeah, it has a very nice tab here to open up the cover. Okay, done. This, nothing else. This just some information on this cover. Yeah. And very simple cover, quite a hard cover, not the type of silicone that I expected. Slightly thicker and slightly, I think, less flexible. And yeah, don't ask me why I choose this color, because I think it's a review set. I just pick whatever that is needed. And yeah, let me see. Yeah, it fits nicely, and it actually covers up all the nice lemongrass color. So if you are thinking about getting a cover for your, or at least if you choose a very bright phone color, you have to choose either a transparent cover which I'm not sure whether Google has it or not, or you have to buy a third-party transparent cover so that you can see the phone color. A gorgeous screen, definitely 6.7 inch, and on the back it has 3 cameras. It has 3 cameras, 1, 2, and 3, and a flash, a mic, and on the bottom side, let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Okay, it has a USB-C port with 2 grill, which I believe is the speaker. On this side, it has the SIM card port, and then on this side, it has the rocker switch for the volume and also the power on/off switch. And on the front, it has the front-facing camera. Let me open it out. Again, there's a easy way to tear out thanks to the design. Okay, again, not to damage it. And again, there's a pull tab, which is also very convenient for you to pull it out. And yeah, I think I'm so stupid. This pull tab can also be used to pull it out without damaging anything. Here, I choose a gray cover. Definitely, there's a contrast over here, but then again, I don't mind this kind of contrast because the white and the gray actually match very well. And also, I think I saw that this is a silver color, so I thought a gray might do wonders to the design. I mean, at least to the color combination. So let me put it inside. And yeah, just I expected it looks quite decent, very nice. In fact, I like it quite a lot. Yeah, so this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and this is the first look at it. And I will set up this and go through the pace on how I will test it, and then maybe in a later video I'll share with you more information on it. And I do welcome you to comment on it, and if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be testing it intensively for the next few weeks, and then maybe then you can share with me how you want me to test it. And in the meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to Techiloba, please do so, because I really need more subscriber and more energy for me to go through this kind of review. So thank you very much, and that's it for now. Bye bye. Okay, this is Pixel 7. Let me power on the familiar Google logo. Welcome to your Pixel.